Construction management most VBI objective questions with answer for PSC and interview. Let's start. If probability factor is 0, the chance of completion of project in the scheduled time is option A 0%, B 70%, C 50%, D 100%. Answer C 50%. For the completion of the project, the duration of critical path is option A minimum, B maximum, C both, D none of the above. Answer A minimum. Which of the following is activity? Option A concrete cured, B wall plastered, C excavation for foundation, D all of the above. Answer C excavation for foundation. Public works must be of very good quality because option A it is paid in higher rate, B projects are of higher priority, C users are general public and maintenance is not timely, difficulty and costly, D all of the above. Answer B projects are of higher priority. The first stage of a large construction work to option A contract, B design, C conception, D study and evaluation. Answer C conception. The conception of idea for any construction work is the responsibility of option A owner, B engineer, C contractor, D all of these. Answer A owner. Which of the following is not a POT event? Option A site investigation started, option B seasonal work completed, C bus starts from Kathmandu, D class is being attended. Answer D class is being attended. The chart which gives an estimate about the amount of material handling between various work stations is known as option A flow chart, B process chart, C travel chart, D operation chart. Answer C travel chart. The prime input of material planning is option A active forecasting, B passive forecasting, C demand forecasting, D none of the above. Answer C demand forecasting. An activity is option A the beginning or end of a specified job, B an element of work entailed in the project, C the movement of heavy vehicles from one place to another, D the progress of work up to a certain limit. Answer B an element of work entailed in the project. The time in which an activity will take to complete in case if difficulty is called option A optimistic time, B most likely time, C pessimistic time, D none of these. Answer C pessimistic time. Slack time refers to option A an activity, B an event, C both event and activity, D none of the above. Answer B an event. POT is option A activity oriented, B event oriented, C time oriented, D resource oriented. Answer B event oriented. At an event other than final event, if no activity emerges, it results in an error called option A looping error, B dangling error, C interfacing error, D splicing error. Answer B dangling error. Negative float for any activity means that the activity is option A subcritical, B supercritical, C critical, D normal. Answer B supercritical. Negative slack indicates option A ahead of schedule condition, B behind the schedule condition, C on schedule condition, D none of the above. Answer B behind the schedule condition. Resource smoothing means option A gradual increase in resources, B adjustment of resources to have the least variation, C complete renovation if resource suit the requirement, D optimization and economical utilization of resources. Answer B. Adjustment of resources to have the least variation. Site order book is used for recording. Option A. Instruction by the executive engineer. B. Construction measurements. C. Issue of store equipments. D. Names of the casual labor. Answer A. Instructions by the executive engineers. When all the paths are arranged according to the descending order of the float, the path which is next to critical path is known as option A. Under critical path, B. Supercritical path, C. Subcritical path, D. Secondary critical path. Answer C. Subcritical path. The first stage of construction is option A. Preparation of estimate, B. Survey of the site, C. Initiation of proposal, D. Allotment of funds. Answer C. Initiation of proposal. A golden rule for the procurement of construction store suggests option A. 100% at site, B. 67% at the site and 33% under procurement, C. 50% at the site and 50% under procurement, D. 33% at the site and 67% under procurement. Answer B. 67% at the site and 33% under procurement. Critical path is option A. Always longest, B. Always shortest, C. Maybe longest, D. Maybe shortest. Answer A is always longest. Bar chart is suitable for option A. Large project, B. Major project, C. Minor work, D. All of these. Answer C. Minor work. Frederick W. Taylor introduced a system of working known as option A. Line organization, B. Line and staff organization, C. Functional organization, D. Effective organization. Answer C. Functional organization. Which of the following documents should be prepared and submitted by a contractor? Option A. Bid document, B. Quality control plan, C. Quality assurance plan, D. Specification. Answer C. Quality assurance plan. The artificial activity which indicates that an activity following it cannot be started unless the preceding activity is complete is known as option A. An event, B. Free float, C. Dummy, D. Constant. Answer C. Dummy. The time which result in the least possible construction cost of an activity is known as option A. Normal time, B. Slow time, C. Crash time, D. Standard time. Answer B. Slow time. Residential buildings are treated as option A. Light construction, B. Heavy construction, C. Industrial construction, D. Private construction. Answer A. Light construction. Power stations are generally treated as option A. Light construction, B. Heavy construction, C. Industrial construction, D. Electrical construction. Answer C. Industrial construction. Critical path, option A, is the shortest path, B. Had null slack, C. Had the maximum slack, D. Had minimum slack. Answer C. Had minimum slack. Slack time refers to option A. An activity, B. An event, C. Both event and activity, D. None of the above. Answer B. An event. In Nepal, Public Procurement Act PPA was effective from option A. 2020 BS, B. 2038 BS, C. 2059 BS, D. 2063 BS. Answer D. 2063 BS. The activity which is crashed first has option A. highest cost slope, B. least cost slope, C. crashing has no relation with cost slope, D. none of these. Answer B. least cost slope. Slack is option A. Difference of latest allowable time and earliest expected time. B. least allowable time minus earliest expected time. C. earliest expected time minus latest allowable time. D. time gained by an activity. Answer B. latest allowable time minus earliest expected time. Which one of the following is not an excavating and moving type of equipment? Option A. bulldozer, B. clamshell, C. scraper, D. dump truck. Answer D. dump truck. Project maintenance is option A. started after project ends, B. optional process, C. an ongoing process, D. compulsory. Answer C. an ongoing process. As per the financial regulation, minimum time required for tender notice is for NCB contract. Option A 15 days, B 30 days, C 45 days, D 60 days. Answer B 30 days. Consulting work worth more than 3 crore in areas should be procured on the basis of option A. request for proposal, B. request for EOI and RFP, C. international level request for EOI and RFP, D. international level RFP. Answer C. international level request for EOI and RFP.